Hi everybody, and welcome back to my English tropical garden here in the UK. Well, today it's just a very short video. I'm going to show you a lovely view from the top of one of my Trachycarpus palm trees. It's not my biggest palm tree, it's the second biggest one in my garden, and this is the view that you get from up here. Magnificent, isn't it? Now the noise you can hear in the background is the M25 motorway. You can't see it, you might just get a glimpse of some lorries moving along, maybe not. But as I pan around, you can see the top of my greenhouse there, and then we're coming around to the actual palm tree. Just nice and steadily go around a little bit more. And there it is, that's the top. These little scruffy bits just here are like last year's seeds really, and I don't think it had seeds this year. Normally does. It's quite healthy, you can see by all the new fronds that are coming out. As the fronds grow and they die, I cut them off, and there we are, we're looking down the trunk now. You can see my pond down there with all the koi carp in it, swimming about, making sure they get their dinner, which I'll be giving to them very shortly. So pan around a bit more. These are the old bits of frond that I cut off over the years. You can see all of those, and strangely enough you don't seem to get birds nested in it, but you think you would do, but I don't know. They peck off this sort of hairy stuff here and make nests. I guess they do anyway. So anyway, I thought you might like to see this view from my palm tree. It's a bit windy up here, a bit blowy. I think I better get down before I get blown down. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. So bye for now.